What's up, guys? It's Father's Day and I'm in Florida with my barbecue bro cooking with Kunchi. We've got the live fire rolling. It's smelling good. Let's see, what are we cooking up today?
So we're gonna do some eyote. We're gonna do some roasted fire salsa or fire roasted salsa. We're already baking a sourdough bread that I put together with the help of my wife. She's gonna make some beans, some rice. It's Taco Sunday for Father's Day, and that's what we're doing.
And we just got back from the beach, guys. Family time, and like we said, we're firing up the live fire cooker right here, making all kinds of goodies because that's what we want to eat on our day. So hopefully y'all got what y'all wanted to eat, and y'all stick around. We'll show you what we got going on.
Father's Day dinner prepared. We have some Mahi Mahi tacos, courtesy of Six Brothers Beef, along with these delicious shrimp that Kenneth made, all from Six Brothers Beef. So this is what we wanted to do on this Father's Day. I'm gonna give this taco here a little
extra kick of flavor, right?
Yeah, and let's take a bite so you guys can see what we're doing here.
Hey, bro, happy Father's Day, man.
Boom.
Cheers, y'all. So hopefully, like we said in the beginning, hopefully y'all got to eat what y'all wanted to. Happy Father's Day, everybody. Fire up your grills, man. Don't complain about having to be around the grill. Enjoy it. Enjoy your family, guys. Boy.
Proud father here.
Happy Father's Day, y'all.
Oh.